What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. So I lucked out on these Aimé Dore 550s. The raffle on these were going crazy. Pretty much everyone I knew in the game was trying to raffle for them. I'm really lucky to be on Aimé Dore's early release list. So they actually sent me a separate link to raffle for these, which means allocations were different from the general public. To clarify, I'm not a special VIP or anything. I just order pretty frequently from their main website, basically giving them a lot of money, and they just started sending me early release links since then. I don't luck out on raffles a lot. My luck is actually the worst, and I'm way too happy to finally hit on something that I am a huge fan of. But yeah, without wasting any more time, guys, let's get right into the video. 3 ways to style these Aimé Dore 550s in green, and then we'll get into the unboxing and sizing advice towards the end. First up, we've got one of my new favorite hoodies, this olive green piece from Japanese. A cream tee underneath for a slight contrast, Gucci faded blue denim, and an Aimé Dore chain stitch Yankee cap to top it off. Easy pairings with this one. We're just vibing off the green on the 550s, matching them with some blue and green tones, while throwing some cream in for some slightly more interesting color block. Next up, we've got one of my favorite shirts, this Casablanca knit short sleeve piece in green, red and cream. A cream cos tank on the inner, white Aimé Dore cap, and some white trousers for a slightly more dressy kind of look. Great clean summer springtime kind of look with all that white and green color pairing going on. Lastly, going for darker, more minimal tones, we've got this Stussy Nike collab jumper in grey. I love this piece. It's crazy oversized and ridiculously cozy. A white tee for the layering, black Junior Watanabe denim, and a green beanie to match the Aimé Dore 550s. Super simple pairing, just matching up the greys, blacks and greens that makes for really easy replication too. Now let's get into the details real quick. We've got this co-branded Aimé Dore New Balance box in yellow and green, 2 extra laces. The 550s originally come laced with the white laces, but I had mine switched up to the extra cream pair instead. Now getting into the shoe, we've got a premium edition of the 550s. This collab stepped it up 2 notches with the quality comparing to a regular pair of 550s. I already did a breakdown on a pair of GR white and greys. If you guys want to check that out, I have it linked at the top of the screen. A white base, cracked leather New Balance logo in green, a yellow aged looking cream midsole with green outsoles on the bottom, Aimé Dore and New Balance logos on the heel, and on the tongue areas too. And finally, cream laces to match off the cream aged midsole. As for sizing, these fit small compared to your regular 990s. I'd advise going half a size up your usual 990 size. In Nike terms, you could go true to size or half a size down. Personally, I prefer going half a size down my usual Nike size. Once again, these are a premium pair of 550s, which is pretty justified for its slightly higher retail price. Even if I had to pay resale for these, I wouldn't feel too bad, to be honest. Once you get these on hand in real life and have a feel of them for yourselves, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.